How to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if your Microsoft Authenticator app is not working. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your settings. And then from here, you just want to scroll down a bit until you find your apps. And on your app section, all you have to do is find your Microsoft Authenticator app. I'm just going to search for it. And then once you find it, just tap on the app like so. Now, the first thing you want to do is force stop the app, because if the app is not working properly, force stopping it could be one of the best ways to fix it. It will completely restrict all of its activities that's currently running on the background and completely refresh the app. After this, head over to storage and try to clear its cache and clear data. Doing this will completely reset the app. And one more thing you have to do is make sure that the notification is allowed, because if the app is not allowed the notification, then you won't be able to get the verification code on your device. And after that, you just have to head over to permissions and make sure all of the permissions are allowed. And finally, you just have to make sure that your battery is not restricted. So head over to the Microsoft app again, and then from here, head over to battery usage, tap on it, and then from here, make sure that it's set to unrestricted, because the app requires it to run in the background so that you could get your required code. So that's pretty much it. After doing all of this, give your phone a quick restart and your app should start working normally again. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.